The whole earth is full of His glory. I saw the Lord upon His throne, high and lifted, robed in light. His glory poured from heaven's height and filled the earth with holy might. Majestic awe and burning flame, seraphim cried out His name. Holy, holy, holy God. The temple shook, the smoke grew wide. I saw myself undone, unclean, before the one who reigns unseen. I cried, I'm lost, I cannot stand in presence of such holy hand. But then the miracle broke through, a burning coal, a touch so true, it purged my guilt, removed my stain. I heard Him say, you're whole again. My ears were opened, heart made still, to hear the whisper of His will. Whom shall I send? Who now will go? His mercy set my soul aglow. So now I rise with burning plea. Here am I, Lord, send me. The miracle still flows from heaven's throne, grace to cleanse and call our hearts your own. You touched my life, you made me clean. Now I will go, Lord, send me. You touched my life, you made me clean. Now I will go, Lord, send me. I saw the Son of God in pain, crowned with thorns and hung in shame. Between the earth and sky He bled, rejected, mocked, for me He pled. The air was thick with hate and cries, yet still He chose the sacrifice. He bore it all, He bore my place, and I beheld His wounds of grace. Then I looked within and saw my fall. I turned away, I lost it all. But there beneath His cross I knelt and whispered, Jesus, help me, heal me. And then the miracle was mine, a living stream of love divine. It washed my heart, removed my shame. He softly called me by my name. Then came the voice, both still and deep, go reach the world, my love to keep. Make disciples, teach the truth, the same that I have given you. And now my heart is born anew. Your spirit fills, your word is true. I cannot stay, I must obey. Here am I, Lord, send me. The The miracle still flows from heaven's throne. Grace to cleanse and call our hearts your own. You touched my life, you made me clean. Now I will go, Lord, send me. You touched my life, you made me clean. Now I will go, Lord, send me. Can you see the Lord high and lifted? Feel the fire and know you've drifted. Can you see the cross, love crucified, and feel that longing deep inside? The miracle still flows today. The coal still burns, the price still paid. The stream still runs from Calvary's tree to cleanse, to heal, to set you free. Confess your sin, come start again. The Savior waits with open hands. The miracle, yes, it's for you. Be born again, be made brand new. The miracle still flows from heaven's throne. Grace to cleanse and call our hearts your own. You touch my